Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate sundae at home? All you need are a few simple ingredients. Start with 2 to 3 scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream. For the indulgent topping, you'll need chocolate sauce, which you can either buy or make at home. Add to this some chopped nuts for that perfect crunch, a swirl of whipped cream, chocolate shavings or cocoa powder, and a cherry on top for garnish. With these ingredients on hand, you're ready to start crafting your perfect sundae. If you've chosen to make your own chocolate sauce, here's how you do it. Start by gently heating half a cup of heavy cream in a small saucepan over low heat. When it begins to simmer, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, add in your chopped chocolate. About 3.5 ounces should do the trick. Allow the chocolate to sit in the warm cream for a minute or two, then stir until smooth. This melting process is crucial for achieving that silky texture we all love in a chocolate sauce. For the final touch, stir in a tablespoon of unsalted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra shine and flavor. Let the sauce cool slightly before using, and there you have it, your own homemade chocolate sauce. But remember, store-bought is perfectly fine too. Now, for the fun part, putting it all together. Start by scooping 2 or 3 generous mounds of your favorite vanilla ice cream into a bowl or glass. Let's not skimp on the ice cream. It's the base of our sundae. And remember, the colder your dish, the slower your ice cream will melt. Next, it's time for our homemade chocolate sauce. Drizzle this velvety, rich sauce all over the ice cream. Watch as it cascades down, enveloping the scoops in a warm chocolate hug. If you're a chocolate lover, don't hold back. More is more in this case. Now, let's add some texture. Sprinkle on a handful of chopped nuts. They add a delightful crunch, a perfect contrast to our creamy ice cream. Almonds, peanuts, walnuts. The choice is yours. Or perhaps you fancy some crushed cookies. Feel free to mix it up. Then, crown your creation with a swirl of whipped cream. Light and airy, it's a cloud on top of our chocolate mountain. For the final flourish, dust on some chocolate shavings or cocoa powder and perch a maraschino cherry on top. It's the cherry that completes the sundae after all. And voila, you've created your very own perfect chocolate sundae. Now, all that's left is to dig in and enjoy. So, let's quickly recap what we've done. We've whipped up a velvety chocolate sauce, scooped out our favorite vanilla ice cream, drizzled that rich sauce over, and finished with a sprinkle of crunchy nuts. Don't forget the crowning glory, a dollop of whipped cream and that cherry on top. But remember, this is just a guide. The beauty of a sundae is in its versatility. Experiment with flavors, textures, and toppings to make it uniquely yours. Remember, the perfect sundae is the one you love, so don't be afraid to mix it up and make it your own. Enjoy your delicious creation.